Hello and welcome to Best Reviews. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best fitness gadgets you can buy this year. From smartwatches to resistance bands, these gadgets will help you track your progress, improve your performance, and achieve your goals. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something for everyone in this list. So stay tuned and let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and let's go. Starting off with the number 5 spot, we have the lifepro Massage Gun Extender. A revolutionary accessory that takes your massage experience to the next level. Imagine having the ability to reach every muscle effortlessly with a flexible arm that attaches to any massage gun. This extender boasts a 360-degree rotation and telescopic length adjustment, allowing you to customize the angle and distance of your massage. It's like having your own personal masseuse at home. Crafted from durable and lightweight materials, the lifepro Massage Gun Extender is compatible with most massage guns on the market, and installation and removal are a breeze. The package even includes a carrying case and a user manual for added convenience. Sliding into the number 4 spot is the Amazfit Band 5 Activity Fitness Tracker, a powerhouse of features that go beyond your typical fitness tracker. With Amazon Alexa built in, this smart band becomes your personal assistant on your wrist, answering questions, setting alarms, and even controlling your smart home devices. The 15-day battery life is a game changer, ensuring you stay charged for 2 weeks on a single charge. But that's not all. It comes equipped with a blood oxygen saturation monitor, 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, and stress monitoring. With 11 built-in sports modes and 5 ATM water resistance, this fitness watch is your ultimate smart fitness partner. Moving on to the number 3 spot, we have the RENPHO Smart Jump Rope. A cordless jump rope that redefines your cardio workouts. The adjustable weighted jump ropes seamlessly transition between rope and cordless modes, making it a versatile option for both indoor and outdoor exercise. Connect it to the smart RENPHO Health app to keep track of your workout data, including jump count, calories burned, and time spent jumping. With 3 comfort fitness modes and a durable PVC Protect sleeve, this jump rope is a fantastic choice for those looking to elevate their fitness game. At number 2, we introduced the Dumoyi Smart Weighted Fit Hoop. A modern take on the traditional hula hoop. Made of premium materials, this smart weighted exercise hoop is not only safe and durable, but also designed for comfort. With a 360-degree shock-absorbing massage ring, it provides a comfortable exercise experience while relieving lower back pain. The detachable design, consisting of 24 parts, allows for customization according to your waistline, making it suitable for adults and beginners alike. Plus, the quiet bearings ensure a smooth and silent rotation, making your workout sessions enjoyable. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Zyllion Shiatsu back and neck massager with heat, a must-have for ultimate relaxation and pain relief. This 3D kneading deep tissue electric massage pillow is designed to target your neck, upper and lower back, offering a personalized massage experience. The unmatched versatility and ergonomic design make it suitable for use in various settings, from bed to office, car, or as a shoulder massager. With safety features like overheat protection and a soothing heat function, Zyllion prioritizes your well-being, ensuring a secure and comfortable massage.